Yeah, so containers, if you maybe have some area along your driveway or wherever, essentially, where you could plop a few containers, make them.
Couple of Rootmaker grow bags
some
from rootmaker.com. Coupon code radio22. Get 15% off your order.
Or maybe you just have something decorative that you think, oh,
Right.
this might look nice here. You could definitely utilize that extra.
Think outside of the box.
Yeah, the extra space. And there's a lot of things you can grow in containers. You could, if you have like a 5-gallon-ish size container, you can grow a tomato plant. And you could even grow, an extra cherry tomato plant maybe outside of your back door. And then you pop some off for some salad or just to snack on. And you have a nice little back door tomato plant.
Now, if you're going to grow in a 5-gallon bucket, nothing wrong with that. Make sure the bucket that you use was used for food grade, that it didn't have tractor oil that it came in, and there's, be conscious of
Do
that.
they sell tractor oil in 5-gallon buckets?
Yeah,
oh, okay.
yeah. 5-gallon and 55-gallon drums.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Now you learned something. But you want to make sure there's drainage holes, and not just put drainage holes in the bottoms. Don't do that. Go an inch up along the side of the bucket and put 4 holes for drainage. That way, there's a certain reservoir of water that stays in that bottom and wicks back up whenever the plant needs it, because you may not remember to water.